One thing is Korea. Those Korea's product, it stands just equivalent to Japan product. That's why more interested in Korean product in nowadays. Also due to the pricing. The pricing is much more attractive than Japan, and in the lower tier, like Taiwan, is also much more attractive than a Taiwan product. Yes, that's why I'm here to see that how to have more cooperation with a Korean company, which the price are very competitive in these few years, I would say. After the pandemic, that the pricing wise is much more attractive than Taiwan, than even very attractive from Japan product.
Yeah, we had many meetings yesterday and today. We still continue meet some partners, and totally we are very satisfied about quality of participants, quality of Korean business who is attending in this event. And mostly we impressed the technologies of smart factory management, and also technologies of AI or IT technologies in field of factory management. So this was very good experience, and thank you.
はい、我々は日本で中小企業を営んでまして、韓国の、機械メーカーさんの、技術の発展に興味がありまして、参加しました。で、我々の使用している機械について、見学することができて、またそのレベルの高さを知ることができてよかったと思っています。
I think the products, I go to booths and interesting the technologies. It's robotics and the building some products is really interesting. Yeah. New technology, new technology and innovations and smart technology.